Reka!
Hello.
MJ. How are you?
Good.
Wow. Si Miss Tika muna. Akala ko isasabay si Papa P.
Hindi. Kasi solo daw. Char.
Oo.
Ay,
Ay, dito na daw po. Sorry.
So, I'll look lang.
Sa amin. Grabe, parang hindi sanay.
Oo, nako. Actually, medyo nanganganay kasi it's been a while.
Been a while. 2006, I heard.
I think so.
Oh
I
my
don't know
gosh.
if I'm wrong, but I think I'm right naman.
Oo. What made you say yes? Yun ang pinakaunang tanong.
Ang hirap no. Well, it's the project kasi yung Burza. That was last year, right?
Lasas.
Last. Okay. When I was watching that, dun ko lang ulit na feel na gusto ko pang umarte.
Oh.
Prior to that, wala na. Parang I didn't really want to come back or anything. Not because I don't like it or what, no. Pero parang I'm just really focused on being a mom.
Of course.
And I just really love my privacy and my private life, diba? So, kala ko parang okay na ako doon. But I guess when you're once an actress, you're always an actress. And you will feel that bugso ba in your, may spark. May mga ganong projects na feeling mo, may spark siya talaga sa'yo.
Nakaka-touch naman, nag-Burza yun for you.
Yeah, I don't know. When I didn't expect it, when I was watching it, I really thought na, okay, manunod lang ako ng pelikula. Paglabas ko, I was texting direct Pepe. I said, if you're gonna make a film again that's like this, kahit extra, I will be willing.
My gosh, pero you're far from extra. Reunion with Peach.
I know. I didn't really expect this. This came na wala ako talagang notion. I didn't even plan on like coming back on the big screen or kahit TV. Wala akong plan.
Nakita kayo prior to this?
No.
And so kayo nag-harapan kayo. What was the conversation like?
Oh no, well, we knew each other. I mean, like, we knew about...
Book kayo for this.
About the movie na that will be part of it. And that's also one of the things na nagpa-yes sa akin. Kasi one is that I know that when PJ makes movies, it's always...
Correct.
Kumbaga, quality film siya. Magandang material to. So that was one of the things that made me say yes. And then secondly, because I'm coming back from like a long time of not acting, I needed to have something familiar. And Yolo is very familiar. I mean, like, we've had a lot of projects together. Tsaka magkaibigan talaga kami. Kaya sabi ko, at least meron akong isang familiar thing on the set.
And you're gonna be
mag-asawa, yes, oo.
Grabe, pero nakakatuwa kasi yung last viral video mo tungkol sa inyong dalawa rin. Napag-usapan. Oo, yung sabi mo hindi mo alam kung anong label nyo. Kaya nakakatawa. Parang us from the audience, we're picking up from that.
O di, tanungin natin siya. Hindi, joke lang.
Yung tatanong ko talaga.
No, yeah. And
but everyone's happy. Like everyone, family, friends.
I know. I feel so welcomed. And I think that's also kind of like one of the things that I was looking forward to, na parang how welcome would I feel ba? Kasi syempre, di ba, parang there are a lot of new faces. There are a lot of old faces. People I've worked with already from before. Pero syempre, yung mga bagay parang, do they know me or do they not know me? Alam mo, I don't know how to I used to be an actress before, yung ganyan. So, I'm just so excited about this new thing in my life.
Will this be a first of many?
That is something that I can't answer for now.
Okay.
I want to just focus on what I have now, and let's see if in the process I will fall in love with it all over again and then want to do some more, or maybe not. Open ako sa pareho. Basta lagi ko lang naman sinasabi, basta hindi masisira yung buhay pamilya ko, na maikikip ko pa rin yung meron ako sa private life ko.